What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tony Blackman here, Director of Operations with Paramount Property Investments. Right now, I'm at a two bathroom condo in Cuyahoga Falls. This property is being sold through a short sale. And for those of you who don't know, a short sale is basically when a property owner needs to sell their home for less than what is owed on the property, okay? Now, the bank does have to approve that. And you do, as the property owner, have to show a reason as to why you need to sell. Generally, there has to be some sort of hardship, whether you lost a job, lost a spouse, you're disabled, etc. And sometimes that can adversely affect your credit. So be aware of the ramifications of selling via short sale. If you want to contact me, 330-685-2220, or visit the website www.investparamount.com.